Professor Suborno Isaac Bari, please.
Thank you so much. Please be seated. Thank you so much. Student and CMT scholar at New York 2019 and Manits 2023. He has delivered physics lectures at many universities. He has also given book talks at various institutions, including the...
Ladies and gentlemen.
So I try to see it more creatively. I carry a reference table with me at all times because sometimes I just can't remember what equation I'm supposed to use. I think when you're solving a problem, you have to think of it. You have to think of it as, I guess, a more creative process than just calculation or computation, because those are the problems you can think of instead of just limiting yourself to one area of math.
Okay, thank you so much, sir. I will definitely follow it from today onwards. Thank you, sir.
Thank you for the
Today's interaction session held in Kokrajhar. One is Bodoland University, one is in Bodofa Cultural Complex. How is your experience?
It was a great experience. All the students are very knowledgeable, very amiable, and I hope to come back here again.
Then this program was organized for the development of physics and mathematics. How do you express about it?
It's wonderful that the BTC is focusing on something so important.
Any advice for the this region students, youths, how to learn mathematics and physics?
I think that you can and have fun with learning as much as possible instead of memorizing everything.
Have you ever enjoyed your childhood?
Yes. Okay.
Like other childs?
Yeah. I enjoy childhood in my own way. Okay, I have a flight very soon.
Yes.